Hello, my name is Elsa-Lynn Nassar, and I'm a recipient of the 2020 Concordia Undergraduate Student Research Award. Today, I will be presenting the research project I was involved in during the course of my award. Let's think about it. So far, what do we know about the COVID-19 pandemic? Well, it's causing massive mental health issues, causing people to work from home in isolation. I think we can all agree that it's been quite stressful, to say the least, on all of us. Importantly, pregnant women might be especially vulnerable to pandemic-related stress. Pregnancy can represent a vulnerable time for women due to many hormonal, biological, and psychosocial changes. But imagine experiencing, on top of that, pandemic-related stress. Well, recent studies from around the world suggest that women pregnant during the COVID-19 pandemic are experiencing moderate to high levels of psychological distress. Why that might be? Research suggests that this may be due to the stress for preparing for delivery during the pandemic, to worries about transmitting COVID-19 to the child, and to a general disruption, really, of routine perinatal care and social life. In addition, research has revealed that pregnant women assessed during the pandemic reported more distress and mental health symptoms than pregnant women assessed before the pandemic. In summary, the literature on maternal mental health during the COVID-19 outbreak suggests that pregnant women may represent a vulnerable population. Now, during my CUSRA, I worked on the resilience and perinatal stress during the pandemic research project, or RESPA for short. The RESPA project is a large-scale longitudinal study conducted in Quebec by Drs. Linda Booij, Catherine Erba, and Sarah Lippe. For the sake of this presentation, I will review what the RESPA project is and its general implications. Briefly, the purpose of the RESPA is to study the associations between the COVID-19 pandemic, resilience, and stress during pregnancy and the postpartum period. So it's really to investigate the potential effects of the COVID-19 pandemic on the psychological health of perinatal women as well as their infants. The RESPA's design involves the administration of online questionnaires to perinatal women. The questionnaires measures such things as stress, mental health, and perceived stress during COVID-19, so how the pandemic may have affected them. As mentioned, the study is longitudinal, which means that women were followed over time. Women were asked to complete these online questionnaires at each trimester of their pregnancy, as well as for 3 trimesters after delivery. This project will help us understand the possible effects of the COVID-19 pandemic on pregnant women and their infants, who appear to represent vulnerable population. It will also help us identify protective and risk factors among pregnant women during the pandemic. Ultimately, this will help us better understand the factors associated with risk and resilience that may be useful in identifying intervention targets. Thank you very much.